Alright, so this is the MacBook Pro. It is June 23rd. Temperature is 116. And you can hear the sound of the fan. Oh, and it's going down now. The sound is going down now. There. There's the energy impact right there. And the sound is going down now. The moment I start recording, it starts to go down. 125 degrees on the phone. That's activity monitor, energy impact on the there. Now it's going down. There's the energy impact. A full charge lasts 1.5 hours. Alright. And I leave it at that. That's it. And I'm going to stop recording now. Stop.